Hello there, it is Sunday, September 29th. It is currently 47 degrees outside at 6 p.m. Just a couple days ago, it was like 72 degrees at this time of the day. So we've had a huge cold front come in, and that probably explains why we've seen so many bugs this last week. On Tuesday, there was bugs everywhere. And so I'm actually gonna flash back to Tuesday because I got some video footage of all these bugs, and I think they just knew winter was coming, so they were kind of, making their preparations. As I said earlier, it has been a buggy morning. You can see here we've got a beautiful leaf bug. They're actually one of my favorite bugs. I don't know why, I just think they're super cool. And I've actually seen about a dozen praying mantises today as well. And then I just found this guy in my greenhouse, and we don't like these guys. You know what that is? That is the enemy. That is a squash bug. We definitely don't want those in the greenhouse. So I'll show you what we do with squash bugs. Let's step out of the greenhouse though. Squash them. So this was kind of cool. I've been working out in the yard today, and all of a sudden I just started seeing praying mantises everywhere. Like 8 or 9 or 10 of them just crawling all over the place. So I thought, well, let's just catch a couple and throw them in the greenhouse and let them take care of all the bugs that are running around in here. And then hopefully they'll live in here for the winter and everything will be good. So we're just gonna check out the greenhouse real quick, go out, check out the garden, and this will be a quick update today. So as I said earlier, it's about 47 degrees outside, but you can see here in the greenhouse, it is closer to 70 degrees. So that's good. We're gonna check out the trees real quick, and then we're gonna go outside. Peach, orange, that one's doing good. Grapefruit tree. We got that other peach tree right here. And then we have the orange tree hidden behind that. Lemon tree here and lime tree here. Let's check up on those limes and see. It looks like they're still getting bigger, but maybe too slowly. And then of course we got the lily kois right here. I'm gonna have to move those inside pretty soon. So out here in the yard, we got the sunflower here behind me, and it looks like it's dead, it's just hanging over. And the good news is, I think we're actually gonna get sunflowers this year out of this thing. So I'm gonna flip the camera around real quick so you can see. So here it is, just hanging there. Remember, this one fell over. But if you look up under here, if you look really closely, you can actually see sunflowers in there. So I think we're actually gonna get sunflowers. You can see that pepper bush is gonna give us tons of peppers. This one too, looks like they're both doing great. Here's the celery. They're still growing. And then, oh, look at that, a blackberry bush has traveled underground all the way from over there. So we're probably gonna have to pull that out. And then of course, it's about time to pick that little watermelon right there. Let's come back over here because I see some perfect blackberries. And these are my favorite. You can see here, got some nice little raspberries. So we're gonna grab a couple of those as well. I mean, seriously, doesn't that look amazing? Once again, we have so many raspberries. I'm not even gonna pick even close to all of them, but you can see that's a pretty nice little score. Okay, so the last thing we're gonna check in on are the tomatoes. You can see this little cherry tomato plant has tomatoes all over it. And then there's the smaller one right here. Same thing, there's plenty on there. And then we've got some big ones here that hopefully continue to grow in this cold weather. So it's supposed to be cold all week. Just gonna do a quick Monday morning update. Today is Monday, September 30th, and it is 30 degrees outside, which means it's freezing. So hopefully we haven't lost some of our vegetables. I'm gonna go close the door on my greenhouse, but I wanted to show what the temperature is in the greenhouse at 6 a.m. when it's It's 30 degrees outside. And this is with leaving the door open. So here we are in the greenhouse, and it's saying that the temperature is, we hit 50, probably 54 degrees. So that's probably cold enough that I want to close the door, especially for my lilycoys. Well guys, that's it for my weekly update in the greenhouse and in the garden. Thank you for watching. If you found it entertaining, please give me a berries up or a thumbs up. That was a stupid joke, sorry. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great videos. Thank you.